Wall Street avoided further metastasis on Friday, recovering after Facebook owner Meta Platforms sank U.S. stocks the day before, as Amazon's strong earnings boosted sentiment after a mixed week of big tech earnings. The Dow finished flat and the S&P closed up 0.5%, while the Nasdaq gained more than 1.5%, ending the volatile week higher after Thursday's rout. Kevin Nicholson, chief investment officer at Riverfront Investment Group, said the real reason for Friday's rebound was the jobs report, which showed job growth that was much higher than economists had expected.
The stock market is reacting to the jobs report that we had this morning, which was very strong. We added almost 500,000 new jobs. So we've had the equity markets really react off of this, saying that because we have such a strong jobs market, that we will go higher because a lot of the bottlenecks that we had experienced earlier in the year will start to go away as more companies are hiring out there.
Amazon finished Friday's session up 13.5% after reporting profit in the holiday quarter that beat expectations. It also delighted investors by hiking its Prime subscription rate and breaking out its ad business for the first time. A day after Meta dragged down all social media stocks, Snap soared on Friday, closing up a whopping 59% after reporting better than expected fourth quarter user growth and a positive outlook. Pinterest rose 11% after its quarterly revenue beat estimates as retailers splurged on advertising during the holidays. And Twitter rose 7% ahead of posting its results, which are expected on February 10th. In the red on Friday was Meta again, though the bleeding appeared to be staunched, with shares finishing about flat. Clorox went from hot wash to cold rinse, closing down 14.5% after reporting a big drop in revenue in the last quarter, and said rising costs will eat into profit for years to come. And shares of Ford Motor Company hit the skids, closing down nearly 10%, after the automaker posted disappointing quarterly numbers and forecast a slower recovery for this year's vehicle production than rival General Motors.